How to delete playlist on Spotify. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device. At the bottom, click on Your Library, which is the third option at the bottom. Then you'll find all your playlists. Select the playlist you want to delete. After you've selected the playlist you want to delete, you'll find your playlist. In here, click on three dots in the middle. Now in here at the bottom, click on Delete Playlist. After you've clicked on Delete Playlist, press on Delete and your playlist will be deleted. And this is how to delete playlists on Spotify. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.